Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's a 2 Willian time. That's right, the 2 Willians are back and they ready for some serious wrist twist action. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy 2 Willians down, or will the 2 Willians take that mighty wrist, give it a mighty twist, and say, devil, hop on the back. We about to go on a ride through hell and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Shout out to Hot Police Pursuits. Oh, he busted you. He on somebody. Officer who? Bailey Bowers. We in Arkansas, y'all. You already know how they get down in the Ark. We will call it the Ark from here on out. You know how they get down in the Ark. He saw somebody acting a fool. Lights on. Oh, he chasing the 2 Willian. He chasing the 2 Willian. Yeah, do. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here come my 2 wheels, devil. I hope you're ready. Man, that bike is flying. It's way up there. Nah, I don't think you're gonna be able to catch that, my boy. You doing 120? That bike is flying. Nah, I can't see you catching him, man. You turned your lights on too early. At least get close to him before you turn your lights on. Supervisor made a U-turn and initiate the traffic stop before the trooper could even activate his emergency lights. The rider allegedly made an unsafe lane change between 2 vehicles. I don't know if he made illegal anything. He's so far away, I can't say he did nothing. That's what the paperwork say, but I ain't gonna go for that one. Where is he at? Come on, bro. I don't even see his light no more. Are we wasting taxpayer money? This is sinister. You doing 125 just drinking that taxpayer gas. Yeah, you doing 120, he doing about 160. You can't even see him no more, bro. My man tried to throw a block for him. He tried to throw a block for the bike. Look at this straightaway. Do y'all see a light? Y'all see a motorcycle light? How about a motorcycle? I don't see none of that. I mean, we need the eye of Thundura to see him give me sight beyond sight. Remember the Thundercat had that sword? He said, give me sight beyond sight. How he know he turned? How does he know he turned, though? Come on, my boy. That might be him up there. Okay, I see his light. He flying. Okay, officer got better eyes than me. But sometimes you gotta put your pride to the side, Officer Bowers. Why you would even turn your lights on a bike, I don't know. Damn, get on the right side of the road. I think that's him way up there. 70-something miles an hour ain't gonna cut it, my boy. That ain't gonna cut it, my boy. They don't even know what kind of bike it is. Black pants, black t-shirt, black helmet. He's blacked out. We're going to call him the Ghost. We're going to call him the Phantom. Look at him. He about to lose control and crash the police cruiser. He already wasting our gas, our taxpayer money on gas. He going to tear the cruiser up too? Bro, you doing double digits. He doing triple digits. How you, and you stopping at red lights? It's over. 1022 this thing. Make a quick donut run.
He made quite a big ground on me. I think he went south down Dixieland Road. But it's hard to tell because he's making quite a bit of distance.
I think you wasted our time. I think you need to report back to the station with some blueberry donuts. Bring me a black chocolate milk. I want the bubble guts tonight. Look at him.
I think he had license plate on the light. It was a pretty bright white light to the rear.
His pride hurt right now. His pride hurt right now, man. He ain't never gonna get. They didn't get the license plate. All they got is a description. How many people wear black suits when they ride bikes? Almost every biker.
Crotch rocket style bike.
Crotch rocket style bike. Call it a rocket.
What he was wearing.
No idea. 1022. The legendary two Williams have done it again. The two Williams are back. Meet me in the comments. Listen, we never even saw the bike. All the thing we saw was the light, y'all. We never saw the bike. The only thing we saw was a light. I mean, sometimes you got to say, you know what? It's not even worth chasing him. Okay, he flew past you. You busted U-turn. What made you think you could catch up to him? You turned your lights on too early. By the time we saw the guy, you turned your lights on. Why you turn your lights on right here? Look, he right there. Y'all see where he's at? You see the little light on the bike? You should have waited till you got closer to him. Now he done twisted his wrist. His wrist in hell. His wrist is it's on fire. You ever seen Ghost Rider? His wrist is on fire like Ghost Rider. You're not catching him. It's like whatever kind of cop car you could have had a Hellcat. You probably couldn't even you probably wouldn't even be able to keep up with him with a Hellcat. To be always honest, whatever kind of bike he had was the truth. It was the truth. I'm gonna go ahead and say it was a we're gonna call it a what's that supercharged Kawasaki bike? It's supercharged a Ninja. He got that supercharged Ninja, man. He got that supercharged Ninja. Got busy on him. He wasn't wasting no time. He didn't play no game. Soon as he saw the lights turn on, he turned it on. He's, oh, you want to turn your lights on? Let me turn it on too. He turned on that button. He hit that button on the bike. He activated that supercharger, and he got nasty with it. Yeah, bikes come with superchargers too. Look up the Kawasaki. Kawasaki got a supercharged bike, and it's not to be played with. It is a monster. And he wasn't playing no games. I mean, this cop was doing 129. I don't even think he hit 130. That's not enough. I don't even think you can catch a 600 doing 120. He got up to 133, 34, 35, 36. So he got it all the way up to 136. And the bike is nowhere in sight. I don't see no bike. We never even saw the bike. We never even got close enough to see the bike. We never got close enough to see the bike, yet alone know what he was chasing. This is what you call wasting the taxpayers' money. That's why our taxes is going up, man. These cops out here chasing phantoms, man. The Black Phantom is what we're going to call this guy. The Black Phantom has struck. This is the first time he's done struck. I'm pretty sure he's going to strike again. He's still a little sick. He's pretty sure he's going to strike again. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back to the Two Williams. Let's give a shout out, a round of applause to the Two Williams. The Two Williams are back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop a couple of hype points in the hype cup if they still giving out hype points. I love you, World War Pack. Let me leave you with some positivity. You on this journey of life by yourself. You came in here by yourself. You're leaving this earth by yourself. So that means every journey that you take, you're going to be taking it by yourself. You may have people with you along for the journey, but every one of y'all are on your own. And I know it sucks to hear that. Man, you by yourself. And you got to think like that. Sometimes you got to, not all the time you got to think like that. No matter what, you got to think I'm on my own. So that way you will strategize the right way. You'll always plan for a rainy day when you know you're by yourself. You'll always work to have stuff. That way you ain't got to ask for nothing. Your life will be a lot easier if you realize that you're on your own. That way you ain't got to depend on people, because people let you down. Dogs don't let you down. People let you down. And it's just human nature. Not everybody is cut from the same cloth. You got to realize that in life. Stop depending on people. Depend on yourself. It's okay to have a little help, but you got to focus on yourself and depend on yourself at the end of the day, so you ain't got to worry about asking somebody or needing somebody to help. And I know that's a hard road to take, but it's the best road to take. Trust me, I know. But with that being said, I'm going to slide on up out of here. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. So if they throw the lights on you, pull over. But, and there is a but, if you are illegal, you got to do what you got to do. You got to do what you got to do. I'm not telling you to do it, but you got to do what you got to do. So if you got to get your leathery wings, make sure you do it on a what? A 2-wheel machine that's supercharged.